Lay her back. Lay her back down on the ground like she was. Dexter, move. Dada's getting that girl! She's getting tickled to death at 8 months old. 8 months and a couple days. Oh, put her drawers up, Dad. Put her britches up. They're falling down. Dad, not like that. Okay, that's good, Dad. Give her a break. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to the camera. See how good she can crawl up now. Hi, honey. See, she stood up like a pro. What you gonna do? Oh, you're gonna grab the cord. Where are Dad's shoes? What shoes? Say bye-bye.